Today is weekend and rainy day. I was observing rain and enjoying the sound of rain. I was really feeling awesome. Look at my very lovely patio garden. Like a small green forest. This is my most favorite place of my apartment because I enjoy these plants most. As it is rainy afternoon, I felt the thirst of having a cup of mint tea. So I plucked some fresh mint leaves from my patio garden, made some black tea, poured tea in my cup, add lime juice, brown sugar, and fresh mint with my tea. I rest the tea for 2 to 3 minutes for make the taste more stronger, and I strongly believe is a magical combination. Beautiful aroma. Look at the color of the tea. Excellent. Now I add the lime. Amazing.